Hello gays, today I'm going to show you how to model your own house from 0 to 100%. Firstly, I'm going to make my floor by connecting corners with Shift plus D for copying and F for connect. Then I get my walls with extruding with E and cutting with K for windows. A little arrangement in faces. Now I get to create the frames. And then I started modeling the table and setup for computer. Looks like I forgot the case for computer, whatever.
Set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see.
You can use modifier named Array for copying like that. And use Bevel modifier for smoother corners. Now I'm modeling window frames. I use same tools, you can figure this out. Also, you can check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, Zener Design, for more tutorials.
Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voice as a guide. You give yourself all, but yeah, you don't wanna fight. If you do, I'm gonna live.
And now texturing and get lights for final touches.
Hang on to your ticket, you're doing alright. And if you don't trust it, hold it up to the light. intuition. I'll be praying for a divine intervention or anything else that gets my attention.